You can now say goodbye to store-bought toners with harsh ingredients because I'm going to show you how you can make it yourself at home with gentle and effective ingredients like aloe vera, witch hazel, and hyaluronic acid. So for this toner, the ingredients that you'll need are glycerin, xanthan gum, propylene glycol, sodium lactate, witch hazel, aloe vera juice, lavender floral water, a 1% hyaluronic acid solution, D-Panthenol, Allantoin, and then last but not least, our preservative, and we're today going to use liquid Germal Plus.
So in this formula, we have a phase 1 and a phase 2. And in the first phase 1 process, we have glycerin and xanthan gum, and you combine them, mix them together, and let it sit to the side. So that is what I've done here. I wanted to add a little xanthan gum because I wanted the toner to be just a little bit thicker. I didn't want it to be completely just like watered down. So we'll let this sit to the side. So in the phase 2 portion, we're going to get a beaker and begin adding in all of our other ingredients. So what I already have in here is the propylene glycol. That's already what's in here. So now I'm going to add in the sodium lactate. I probably should have measured it all out inside the beaker, but I can get a little heavy-handed and overdo my measurements, and then I feel like I have to start over, and I don't want to do that today. So yeah, that's why I've measured them all out separately. So the sodium lactate, then we're going to add in our witch hazel, aloe vera juice, and then our lavender floral water. I use lavender floral water, but you could use rose floral water. You could use any of the other floral waters. I personally like the way the lavender smells, and it's very calming and cleansing to the skin. So I like a lot of times using lavender floral water. We next need to add in our D-Panthenol and then our Allantoin. So I'm going to get a container. So now that everything is in there, you just let it stand for a little to make sure that it is all getting dissolved, which it looks like mine is almost there. Now I'm going to add the glycerin xanthan gum mix. And mix it up well. Okay, so now we can bottle it up, and I'm going to put mine in this little container. I'm gonna put mine in here. So now we have our little toner here, and this made about 3 ounces. For the complete recipe, it will be in the Patreon. So join the community.
Okay, and that is it. That is a quick rundown of how you can make your own toner that is good for all skin types to leave your skin feeling refreshed, leaving your skin feeling hydrated, and also glowing. If you try this recipe, I would love to know. And then also, thank you so much for watching. And if you're looking for more skincare tips and DIYs, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and then hit that notification bell so that you never miss another video. Until next time, happy crafting.